Since when I come this Edo cyber space, now the truth, now they tell the world. They say the truth is bitter. They say the bad people, they don't need truth for society. Anyone when I follow for this social media, no say they be evil, that's why they follow them. It means they be friend. The time when I tell no say they deceive our people, it means they be friend. If I don't know say they deceive our people, I quarrel with them for corner. The one wrong come at me, they can't give me, they can't pull life from my head. When they will put the lie, go pursue them. They'll start to cry. They go, Atiti is my enemy. Atiti is my enemy. Waiting go make me with Atiti said to for this those cyber space not again. The last time I checked, we are not a family. The last time I checked, they go to find weird where they want to disgrace me now. Many people to say, nah, maybe this one. So we they don't know as we take the operate. They know. They're not going to run come and say they want to disgrace Prophet Atiti. Like Prophet Atiti, they disgrace them. Because I know say all of them are liars. They be 419. They be tiffy Janko Rico. But those who not say we tell the truth, they must surely respect us. They must value us for the society. You see, my sister today, when they invite me, they go a platform, Madam Sisi. No, if I could talk this video, if they all coming now, when I send message to them. When I send message before I talk for this video. When I quit send message. Innocent, I did for life. Now, if you want your hater, you're coming for this line so that when I enter the life broadcast, you hear? Thank you. More quick talk. They pray. Make bad people not pull life for your head. Bad people pull life for your head before the shame of the lie they put for you head before it go come out. Many people go believe, why shall not go believe? But we they avoid this kind of people where they talk lie for society. And this kind of people where they talk lie, where they see the drunker, Chris people, now they see them. If they don't drink anything with their mouth, their mouth will come be like pipe. They'll go open now. If they open the water now will give finish the true lie. With the pray these people not get close to us. As I speak my broken English, so now no say I be picking when I go to they call me baby, but people they understand the English when I broken English when I speak. So my people, una good evening. As I talk and they go just now, my sister they invite me to go a platform today, Madam Sisi. Any Oyibo when I speak for there, make una not laugh me. Una no say I be picking when I go to school. They all they take my own they sing. Okay.
Epa, no be you go dey life oh. Na she go dey life. No be you go dey life, Epa. Na she go dey life.
Okay.
Na you go join am. Na she go send you request. So what you go just do when she dey life, you just dey watch, you just dey listen. If they want invite you, she go send you invitation. Then if you send invitation, you click.
Okay.
The way I take.
Okay. Okay. No problem. And I see the same thing now. Me go ask me there for life. So if you send me the request, I'll pick up. Two of us go to show for that side. Me go to show for my own too. Now so now. If not so, Mona could help me right just. It's not so. If as I did for life, so you send me request now. I go to show for his side. Me go to show for my side. I be. If not, they say not so. I don't blog. It don't come. Yellow no more say So make una share the video. Make it go viral. Make una not make the broken English when they speak. But since when we come this Edo space, what it make me come? Person when he carry me conscious Edo space. I not be live video presenter. I be prophet. I be prophet. The person when carry me come, when I don't come drag waiting be my property, when I dey drag her, I don't know how to on live video, come carry me come when I come fight their enemy. Me to say a better person. The time when I can't take cash for Wayo, now no say I cry come out. Till today. You see the talk say, I not be friend, I not be friend. I go be your friend. I know they follow you for they do friend. I don't understand what you write. You say no, okay. I don't know. I know they follow you for they do friend. I know they carry follow person where they talk like they do friend. I know they follow these kind of people. Oji, Igun Yamobo. Oh, Ilenia. So make una share am, make una come listen to Omozuo. I don't tell am make comot my matter for a month, in all the year. If me with person get problem, a me person get problem. I don't know what he concern for his side. He will call the curse he head. Every time I take the curse he head, and they wash him. Since they are not talk to her. Today, I see video where Abieyuwa take talk. Where lady Abieyuwa take talk. Now no lady Abieyuwa. Where they for Jay-Z. Where they talk. I see video when he take talk for Frank Omozo Olalisagi. As I see the video, I can't wait, I can't listen. As I listen, Sote in my senior sister. When me they talk, tell una say na liar. This boy na liar. Everything we they talk for a platform. It's a deceiver. It's a deceiver. When I know when I they talk, they follow una. Your senior sister don't come talk and say, hey, that's why they talk lie. They say, na us. Now the third person as person be. Na us the third person as person be. Your senior sister don't come tell us say, authority be. This kind of person are going to believe in for a do cyberspace. Since where don't block go a house, I don't block he go a house. Sylvia, when he go this or Mozo house or Louis. You know what say they run for a do block? Me I don't block no come talk as a rich, we no say as a drunker when it be we they drunk for step. You know sis is there where a do block come say they in the drunk for step. See na drunker. He said to the little Daniel Talo, I don't know if you can talk to drunker. All this their fake life where they live for a do cyberspace, they deceive a do people. Women know the grief for them. Now I be bad person you. Now I be bad person. You see woman where they see a sagging, they go saying they pray for people. Not because they lay upon people. If people don't know. Woman where they for a sagging, go they saying they pray for people. Now because they lay for people. Where can I go check on a Bible where? We could go check. No, be that one I come for another day for that one. So my people, make una listen to this audio when I want to play. So make una listen. When I see your mom's was senior sister. The same way me call tell you I say na lie, I say na deceiver, I say la lie. When you pull life for your head, if you forge life put for your head, now only God will deliver you for that lie. Only God. Wait till this boy no go talk all of them. Say they say mama boy cash out for dance that day. If they tell mama boy say oh waiting talk na saga. If they talk say waiting mama boy talk na waiting talk na saga. Mama boy I quarrel with her for this social media. Waiting make me quarrel with her. Una see at that time I make me with her get problem. Una see her. When you do that thing, I make me get problem. Me not get problem again. So I go to make reference for everybody when I don't talk to this cyberspace. Apart from the one when I cash for adultery, when I cash for adultery, that one for the people who are there do cyberspace, I go to make the difference for now. Now why you when I see them they see. Person will get orphanage, you go see you go to sleep with married woman. You see all those kind of things. If you see our men waiting for social media today, not only few. Now be genuine for his side. If I tell you something, when they believe. When are people where they know they give money, we will not job bribe. But if we not get, we'll cry, come and see me, they borrow us. If we not get, say we go the blackmail person, they collecting money, we not do that kind of thing. Say one woman where they say the shit for body, where they for Zaragoza, they measure in Nation and Udan. I don't want to insult all these people because my cause they worry them. My cause they worry them. I just decide not to insult them again. Why they with the shit for purpose? They say I go they measure my knee. Best way they talk to no concern me, go they measure my knee. My papa tell me say they don't get sense. My papa, no, say my papa, I made mistake. My papa, I don't hear my waiting. My papa tell me say they no get sense. But what will come for? More your doing, More I wait for the because 7 was so sharp. Now we will take go. Where Sister CCT invite me to a platform. Pikin will not go school. All graduates full everywhere. No invite graduates. Say that Pikin will not go school. You want invite. I'm very glad to do it. I'm very happy to see a day like this. Only for me to yell today. Hello, my people. Share the video. Let it go viral. I'm happy. If you don't know, me you know. Because now the truth, when I talk, now I carry me go there today. If I talk lie, I see white water, the thing are black. It not go call me call a platform. Because I see the truth. What did they not go do to our sister where our Edo boys don't do to our sisters? Because of what the Edo boys, some of Edo boys don't do to our sisters. The young ones, they feel the pains today. Women, they get wicked hearts for every man for his house. Because of what the Central boys do them. Now make our women today. If you go look all the Omari, they get bitter hearts. Some of these women, well, those boys, don't betrayed. So because I tell them the truth I carry me come here today, my people. Una good evening. More listen to Olaluwe, sister. When I tell una say a liar. Ole kakao danyo, diku, olo gogoro. Those days we were there for village. If olo gogoro don't drink, nothing will le gogoro must not talk. Okay, more listen to his senior sister. It is say matter when it concern me, you know, cut up, put and no cut up for yourself quiet. Now sister, I know they talk to her. Now only wait till they wait. I heard they wait for a do blog, make us show us the time where they draw and follow step they go. The time where they draw and follow. It is say those blog, don't give me that one now. I don't get waiting to talk. I heard they describe it to people. He get back more. He can't. I don't describe and take it. I don't describe and they come. I thought they describe and they come. The time when I want to tell people about this boy, Lady Abieyuwa, when he go say the truth, when he go tell the truth, he not tell the truth that time. He not talking. It is a better person. Maybe in the follow the worker. He not say na evil. He not say na evil. Lady Abieyuwa not say na evil, but me not say na evil. I know say this boy na evil. I know. But the people, we say they find money, we hungry they beat. We hungry they beat. I tell them all of them go scatter. I tell them. But today, I even tell Abieyuwa say the last fight, me will come fight am for him. Anything when I talk down, it must come to pass. I tell Abieyuwa say, when I go to do my video, I tell now the last fight, me will come fight am. Because the rest people, when they pay, when they not let them see the truth of this matter, when this thing for not happen, what did it happen today? Or what did they happen today? They pay them, they chop money, they not let me fight the fight when I want to fight. They give this small boy power. I talk about that, I say the last fight I'll come fight him. But I never come to come fight now. I never come now. But I want to tell you now, say, us na no person. Aleru no why give one man way. If I don't describe it to the outsiders, I know say some people not get sense like this. But they say they go school, they have no sense. All what my father taught me. Awe owaga gioma maui. Owaga gioma maui. Thank God today, when you go talk live for Lady Abieyuwa head for social media. When Abieyuwa see the lie where you talk for head, he run call house. Who be the person where he call your own senior sister or Mozuo? No listen. Never. No. No listen. No listen. Never. Omone kwe muma.
Hello, Mama. video ti ebone gbe o do ti ebone je ti ebone awo ti yan iri je. Women do.
You see your shame. Woman, where they accept your senior sister now. He call your senior sister now. He tell your senior sister, say, you dey curse your mother, you dey curse your sister, that sister, they tell her, say, you dey curse them. You see your disgrace. Woman, when he do good for you. You say your junior brother, the supporter. Why you not go support him? Your papa, one could tell you, say, now your papa enter a body, your junior brother body. May they insult you. Because this woman, I buy the coffee where they put your papa. That boy will begin to insult you all the days of your life before you go beg, lay down, beg Abieyuwa if you don't know. I just can't tell you the truth. Your family is not happy for you because they are not capable to buy coffee where they put your papa. This woman buy the coffee for your father. All your family has turned against you because of your ignorance, because of your waywardness, because you are a drunkard. Make una go call people come. Una come listen to Lady Abieyuwa with his senior sister.
This double wa. Or women ask you where when I come here where men tam where women be who were tam here. Or what thing bright it ebony ya.
You don't marry. Lady Abieyuwa don't born. Face your marriage and leave your ass alone. Leave your ass alone. I see the video where you do yesterday. They sent out to me this morning before I see this one. I want just to tell you. It will be where you go learn. May you learn from here. You see, your brothers, your brides, where they make sure say they insult you, they insult everybody for house. Those when they support you, they betrayed Abieyuwa. Now bright they insult you. Your father na a body. Your father is not happy the way you treated Abieyuwa. I have to tell you the truth. Your father is not happy. This man, this Abieyuwa, now make your papa chop cow for the first time for his life. Oh yeah, me like we do cow with that one. Hey, now ice fish. Hey, na ya lu woman, de. Abieyuwa demila nera. Nera onak mandu. Abieyuwa na always the coffee orira. They say not your Ogboma yesi. Ogboma the worst Ogboma say ni me is you. I want to but your brother Abieyuwa. If person is not Abieyuwa, you are the right person to come out even though na not day again, una day. Now you can say stop that nonsense. Because you are ignorant in the society, you don't know what is your problem. Même problem iwe. Don't want to but bon Abieyuwa for the good sake. Na Abieyuwa ya rescue way. I see how what you talk. Maybe Abieyuwa fit say you no buy motor for your brother now. If you talking about you yourself, you know all what he do for you. You're not supposed to call the talking for public. You're not supposed to call the talking again. See what he do for you. If na person come and come insult Abieyuwa, you get the right to come the fight for Abieyuwa. Not be you come the insult Abieyuwa for the all good when he do for you. If me insult Abieyuwa now, people go to hear say, he do something for me, but not be the way it take do for you, the way it take stand for your life. Full bag of 3 bags of clothes, now a pack come give you. You see wear the cloth, you can't insult them. You don't see where they chop course every blessed day. They chop course. If they quite and say your last born bright, if they insult everybody for the family, why not go insult person now? Your papa ate a body. The way you treated Abieyuwa, it was very wrong. Person when you buy your papa coffee. Because proud man don't lay curse upon you where you don't know say they worry you proud man. He say, "Me will ask you where they know the poor man, where you poor man. Una back on your sagging, una bunu your sagging." You see the marriage we proud man do. I think say you go enter house where you see that marriage. I think say you go enter house. Now there I didn't know see you. I did Daniel D cooking. You're supposed to be in that shoe because of your waywardness. You see the way you lose all the opportunity in life, and it's just the beginning, slowly and steady. The day you buy the lion tail, the day you know. You can only come on screen to come and insult me. Your insult cannot do me anything. Go and look at the day you jam me. Go and look at from that day till now. Go and look at that day till now, the day you jam me. Okuta him. Okuta no woko anaruawe. Omu weni nyaun. I be stone. Where piki go knock left for stone. Or you go knock out for stone. Omu nyaun. You never know person where you jam. As you dey try for your platform, say I be bad person. Where you not do me bad, I not go do you bad. But when you want to tell me, say you know. Go and look at the day you jam me. Till now. Go to watch and you're the watch. You're the watch. You begin to watch it. But not be that one I come for now. I want to come play your senior sister video. Wait, they talk say you be liar. No, listen. You see your senior sister now? He said, I saw you they talk like, say they don't pass that place. Or what better, Bani? Oh, walking. Your senior sister won't walking. Meaning say not be today you start to talk like. You start time for right from house, now you they pull life for people body. Right from house, now you they pull life for people body. It's a shame on you. It's a shame on you. I see one the day for UK, say the TV page. He said the TV page, why the day for UK? They're not going to pay you for that page again now with the thief. You said they're not going to pay Atiti for page. They're not going to pay Atiti. But your own now. I just said they'll see they pay you money for that page now. Make the pay put to. You come on platform, you say Abieyuwa, they call your family. Every day they call bright. If they use bright, if they give bright money, make bright content they insult you. But that's not lie, you they talk. Your senior sister, they tell us now, say, you know, if they tell us, say, you know, the Abieyuwa not they call bright again. You just come out for his house. Woman, when he do good for you. If now only the plaster, where this woman plaster your papa house, it put silly. All those kind which house wanna get before it change her to model house. If now only that good, where your papa weakness for face. Your papa sit down for chair for outside, they drink beer. If they plaster your papa house, if they put silly, if now only that good, this woman do for you. Come and get inside. Get inside. I go and memorize your brain. Get inside. It's a shame in your parts. If now only the plaster, when he plaster your papa house before your papa pass away, he plaster the house, not this 1 week or 2 weeks where your papa buy. You can't hide down for more than 3 months before you come out. If not only the Emila where your papa weakness for face, and like Bemila, I come the buy foul for front of your papa house where your papa no dream One day say they go buy fowl for a compound. They can't buy cow. This woman can't tell you, say, as people they looking for social media, if this kind of apps, now share footy for this kind of apps with the conscience for live video, you can't run the plaster the house. You can't run the put silly. You can't the buy silly find the put. If not only the good way that woman do for you. If person they saw this woman for a cyber space, you are the one to come out, come fight for her. Even though it don't born for another man. Now you can't defend them. But it's a shame in your parts. You come on social media. I'm not going to insult you. I can't tell you the truth. This truth now they pain for body if I they tell you now. I believe so from today you're not going to come out again. If you see come and come insult this woman, you are a shameless man. And people will see they will say they want to bless you with 50 euro, bless you with 100 euro because there be nonsense the food for the society, those type of people. Where they see woman, where you not sleep with. The way you take betray down after you do a lot for you and your family. I don't fit us Abieyuwa not do. If you do for me, we did for us. I talk to say your own family. You come on social media, what you do for your younger ones now, you come they take and they sing. You just say you the fool, huh? Now yourself is the fool. Now yourself is the fool. Because people where go school or people where get sense, they'll not say be cowards. When I see you, they do video. You know what they send the video for me. Now they call it say Baba with this man. First, wait, okay, wait till it happen now. You with your brothers they quarrel. Now today I start to quarrel. Before Abieyuwa enter on life, now not the quarrel. They see one house with brother, not the quarrel. They see one house where you can't go draw Abieyuwa for where they because you just say you don't born now. Or you don't marry. Now you say you don't need them. You don't go marry, say this woman not be your category. Say you know if you carry on. Leave anybody who want marry this woman, may marry this woman. You say you want to draw a family, come and you want to insult the family. You want to insult the family. I see video where you talk. You can't deal with the family. I can't insult the family. The man who fell born for you, they measure his name. Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Well, where you want to learn. When do you want to learn? When do you want to learn? Come and listen to your senior sister. Oh, wait, you are a liar, bloody liar. Let's us listen. This one a woman where you say you don't need. It don't born. It not concern you. If you with your brother they quarrel, Find please a way to make a peace with your brothers. You know, concern this woman. If you do this woman, they do something for your brothers. If they do something for them, let her do something for them. This one out of jealousy. Jealousy waiting to follow people for social media. Now you see they follow your brother so. Now you see they follow bright so. Jealousy where you really bright to know where you are here. You go jealous people waiting for outside, you go jealous your brother. If you do Abieyuwa, they do something for your brother, not be your business. Find out to settle with your brothers and your sisters. Find out a way to settle with them, your brothers and your sisters. Like me now today, ex-wife when he born for me, we say no breed children for me. When I take equity, I define. Some of your brothers, me with the brothers, they great. Because they know me as a good person. They know me as a truthful somebody. Me with the brothers, they great. Sometimes they'll say, what you do me, Emma, you know, me, ma, where, you're not good. Me with some of them, they're great. Because they know me as a good person. These your brothers, Abieyuwa and the rest, Brett and the rest and your sister, they know this woman is a good woman. You want them to make them lose the relationship with the get to each other? No. If your head not good, the rest people head go good for friendship. Because your head not good for friendship. I never see you follow you make friend where you never follow quarrel. I never see you follow make friend where you know you follow the quarrel. I the yourself of this I do stop space. So what I try to tell you, where your sister for talk just now say you be liar. Say you want to go carry up, me not let you go, me not go swear via for you. People go carry custody on you for outside. Your own sister, if they plan to carry custody law upon you, you know, she's a shameful thing for your side. For the whole good way this woman do for you. You know what she will tell you the truth. Now say I can't tell you the truth. I believe say today will be the last day we go measure this woman name rich. Woman when they plaster your papa house. Since you when they burn your papa, they not buy fat cow for front of your papa house one day. Goats, they not buy for front of your papa house one day. I see the video where you talk just now when you talk. For the video, you say your father is a womanizer. Your father is a womanizer. Your papa is a womanizer. You not deviate and come out for your body. Me try to better person for the society. You not see womanizer. You know, you go look history. The way your father end up as a womanizer. They say character. You will never get document for Europe. You will never rent a flat, 3 bedroom. You will plan to marry 3 women, 4 women. Because the whole women that come to you, they are nonsense women. A real women, a woman of dignity, a woman of Tiliba, Caliber, and Tibas. They will never come to you. They will never come to you. A carbohydrate women, a necessity women, all of this type of women used to come to you. I hear when they talk, say, I did for Spain, women they come up for Spain, come they see you for Italy. You get the type of woman when I define. Not be useless woman. A woman who cannot differentiate itself from Okpo. I'm not going to go out with that woman. A woman who can differentiate herself from Ashawo, now I'm going to marry for house. I'm just telling you people the truth. I know say I be illiterate, I don't go school. A woman will not fit differentiate herself come up for Ashawo, not they put her for house. Now me want to carry one woman with don't born for 4 men. Now me want to carry that kind of woman. I call the take man the straight time. He only born for 2 men. He only born for 2. Get inside, my friend. Keep your mouth shut. I don't want to hear you measure Abieyuwa your platform again. If from today. I don't want you to measure Abieyuwa in your platform. If you do, you are a shameless man. If you do, you are a shameless man. Because blind people, now they follow you. People will not get sense. I hear where they praise some for them, they praise some. If they bring all those kind of women come out, they are narcissistic women in the society. A really good woman would call you where they follow you, say, stop this video that you are doing to Abieyuwa. If you with your brother get quarrel, go and settle your home. They say, if they not sleep well, Obamayasi, call your younger ones, call your senior one, make a peace. Don't add anybody to it is the problem. Your brother, if your relationship no work with Abieyuwa, your brothers winning one or your sister winning one, they get right. They do their things, they go. Am I kidding you, Bolari? They say God now they send people come up person for poverty. Since you say not get what they take and do, your member family they get what they can do. Anything we do for your family, because you are a jealousy man. You are a jealous man. Now very bad thing, that sickness. Person we carry jealous for body. Agmoke maori logo. Person we get jealous for heart. Before it better they had to. Now be some of the things with the worry Monica Atwari to the jealous. So more listening. I'll be time don't go. More your listening. Anything when me tell Abieyuwa who they quarrel or any cause when I lay, I don't beg Abieyuwa to say may forgive, may forget, because of the good will do for me. I don't say wait till they support them. I don't say wrong me, but I don't forget because of the good will do for me. But you, I go tell you say, Obono wokam. Not only insult you can't insult after you don't drink. I want you can't insult. Look, the time we take jam meeting now. Go and look at everything turn around. Is it like this before? Is it like this before? Is it like this before? Ask people that knows me. People when you know me, they tell you my history. Fear no will let you to mention my name again. Slowly and steady, Kai. Slowly and steady, people will see the shame and disgrace. It's already proved to the world. The world does already the sin and the shame and disgrace. So I have no much to say. Let me end the video here. Let me play the video and end the video here. Let me go to where I'm going to. I want to travel to UK tonight. Maybe I will be coming from UK by 2 or 3 o'clock in the midnight, or by 12 or by 11. I will be coming from UK to my destination in Spain. But I only want to drop this video for you. You need to be ashamed of yourself. Because you are not a man, you are a boy. You are a boy. You are not a man. You talk too much. You are you talk like a parrot. Can't you see Sylvia there? Edo blog, to draw Edo blog art. Come and disgrace Edo blog and his father and his mother. Come and disgrace them for us. Go and bring Edo blog mama picture. Come and insult mama Edo blog for us. Come and insult mama Edo blog for us. Don't tell Bonnie Edo blog. My picture la jam do my blog by any magay. Abieyuwa we are because this is another for social media. You're the pull life for the woman head every day. You dey put life for head every day. Man, we know the shame. It's not good. For the whole good way this woman do for you. For the whole good way this woman do for you. During the burial of your father, this woman did with you. He tell the possible best to make that burial to be okay. He rent the soldiers for you, soldiers and police to guide the dance. What you say make this woman do, we not do for you. He carry your papa's, he plaster am, he zik am, he put silly fine. He buy cow for front of your papa house. For that village now, if they talk, how many years they don't buy cow for front of the house? Forget say, may they not say bury at home. May they not say bury at home. How many years they don't buy cow for front of that house? Your papa house, he did among of the house where they don't buy fowl, where they don't buy cow, where they not can do burial, they not can do marriage. Yours for party. As this woman give you level rich, you are paying this woman with evil today. Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed? Sit down and take this my video. Listen to my video carefully. 2 or 3 times, listen to this video well. You will pick a sense from this video. And you will learn from this video. You will learn from this video. Nobody who can speak to you like the way I'm speaking to you. So I'm not gonna cause Ogun. I'm just gonna tell you your shame and your disgrace to the society. You come to this Edo cyberspace, you spoil everything. You spoil everything. If sometimes when they work out for platform, I know you see where they give person star again. You are the people that spoil everything. As Christmas comes so, before when we come to social media, you see people go they bless us. Because of your evil acts, you used to come to this social media. Everywhere is blocked today. Because you want to spoil people to achieve from the world. You want to bring people down to achieve from the world. Look at you today. You are under leprosy. You are under leprosy. People are not looking at you. It's like people is not seeing. People is not seeing. Go and look the day you jam me. I know you they cry always. Atiti, I don't forgive Atiti. Me with you not be brother, we are not sisters. I only meet you in a cyberspace. We have nothing to do together again. Because I already know you are a destroyer. I already know you are a liar. I already know you are a drunkard. What do I want to do with you? If you not come talk for matter, if you see my matter, not talk put. If I see your matter, not go talk put. But since you don't talk for my matter, you say you already give yourself shame and disgrace. Only in the sage carve be. Content creator no meme. No when no dey bella dia dey maladi agban ye be meme. Pese o me yori no meme. When no dey bella dia. I go a platform. I not dey hide myself. I click on say see me Atiti. Say when I tell the fans say sorry now say I will call for YouTube. I come on leave on. He said I too beat him. Now you curse him when I come disgrace you. Because I not find you in trouble. You don't want to take me shine. As you want to take me shine. As the red people want to take me shine. As the day where they type up pass on us want to take me shine. Now I tell you I say I too big person now. What not there for an amount? The money anyway, as I speak this, you both I be agree. But people they understand what I tell them. So my people, my brothers and my sister, where they go? When I quit wrong go, when I play this audio finish more and listen, when I start them again. More when I quit go where they
Hello,
go.
Mama. Call you. No, they will call him. A Frankie where a women go out disturb Wawe or wow. Many may go where I realize video Tiabone, but Tiabone, Jet, Tiabone, I want to know. A women go out disturb Wawe.
This is the woman wey never cursed your mama before because of your waywardness. He say you dey insult your mama, you dey insult your brother, you dey insult your sisters. This will not be shame to your part. Not shame to your part. Woman, when it do good for you, how many women of it do this? What did this woman do for you? The women that have a good heart in the society, you people will make them to be bitter. You people will make them to be bitter. You spoil this woman for me. You spoil me for this woman. So this woman no say, I not be that kind of person. You even pay people. You even tell her, make they give people money. Make they give people money, they take bring me down. Okuta him, I be stone. Prophet, we know the cry fowl, we know the cry goats. Ya just no kwe lele, ya just no kwe lele, ya leru kwe sene, ya leru kwe sene. It's just my nature. Say what they tell you, or see not start they tell us that you are a liar, bloody liar. Oh, okay. See now, so they talk lies. But what it make me the ask question now? You not get people when they advise you. Tell you say this woman. If this woman get problem for a do cyber space, say person go draw come out. Even though people like us not come and you are the first person to come and fight for this woman. Where they saw so. Woman, without no celebration, you just buy cow for Christmas time for your papa copan. Say me the buy a cow. Emila. All that when I got Mila, your papa even share cow for the people of the village. Woman, when he put respect for your body, he carry your papa ask he plaster her. Honor me POP, yo. A silly. Honor me silly fine, yo. The time of your father's ceremony, it was there for you. Why are you insulting this woman? If you with your brothers get problem, try to make a peace with your brothers. Leave this woman alone. Leave this woman alone. Leave her make do it. You carry this woman money, you spend that for woman. Where this woman did for your life, in money, you they spend that for women. If not some adult women, they go to own their platform, come they insult you every blessed day by day. But this woman not come up for his house one day, may come insult you. This woman not come up for his house, may come do live video. Upon what he do for you, you need to respect this woman. You need to give this woman accolades.